So we have to stop meeting like this. I know some of you are getting tired of seeing this thing on my head, but I promise you, I'm getting my hair done this week and you won't be seeing it. Well, you know what? Let me not lie to y'all, because it has been like a lifesaver. And Fash ended up ordering some more colors. So she has a pink color, pink blue. On top of that, I've been just looking at little like head things or whatever. I think they're just super cute and I love them. They're super stylish and I really don't have to worry about my hair, so it's on. The reason why I came on here is because yesterday my cousin came over and she helped me organize. You guys, like, I thought I was gonna go insane. First of all, if you're living out of a suitcase, I commend you, because everyone's process is very different, okay? But I was like, I need to do something to just make me feel like comfortable. So went to Home Goods, of course, got pillows, did the whole spiel, got some room freshener, cleaned up, just did a whole bunch of stuff. And now all of my things are hung up. It's put away, even though she ain't gonna be here long. My mom was like, are you gonna leave all this stuff when you go? I was like, yes, I'm gonna leave everything, so don't worry about it. I'm gonna leave everything. She's been enjoying the company because literally she comes in here, I won't say every night, but for a while it was every night, but she comes in here, I would say like every other night, and sit at the foot of the bed and we just chit chat till like 11, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the morning, and then she goes to bed. So that's been like really good. So I think she just enjoys the company of having someone else, because literally I will be downstairs and I'll come upstairs and she'll call me. I'm like, yes, what you doing? I'm laying down. Just sit right here. It's so cute though. I have to say, I'm gonna apologize because I have a newfound respect for IKEA and a newfound respect for Ross. You know, I was always in my mind like, I want to get featured in a magazine, I want to get featured in a magazine, like I want to get featured in a magazine. So I wasn't trying to, you know, makeshift nothing. I can definitely see how, you know, IKEA and Ross becomes addictive, because I've probably been inside of Ross 20 times. Yes, you heard it right, 20 times. So I'm gonna go ahead and state a public apology. I apologize to Ross and IKEA. Would I go in there to still try to decorate my whole house? Nope. I'm so sorry. But little pieces in there, it's not bad. I didn't buy any decor from Ross. What I did go into Ross for was Dove. You guys, they had deodorant, little body sprays, you know, the little Rihanna, things that you could really find at TJ Maxx. But TJ Maxx and Home Goods, I guess everyone knows about those places, so I didn't really find too much there. But Ross had the Dove deodorant, the wash. They also had the hibiscus body scrub, which is why I went to like 20 Ross. I was looking for it, and I guess the word got out that Ross had them, because I can't find them anymore. But I was like, you know what? Ross isn't that bad. It really isn't that bad. I was able to stock up on a lot of things. So I don't know. The Ross in Savannah, it isn't that great. I'm just going to be honest. It really isn't that great. So what I'm going to do is, before I leave here, I'm going to go shopping. And I'm going to pick up Dove, like the body washes, so I can keep a stock, especially for the boys. I can do that, and deodorants and all that stuff. I'm going to share the closet with you guys. But before I share that with you guys, I want to go ahead and share me and my cousin putting it together. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's so cute. All right, so here's the closet right here. Oh my goodness. So as you can see at the very top, I have my wigs up there. I've got just a couple of my handbags. The very bottom one, those are pretty much new shoes that I purchased from the Real because I packed every single one of my heels and I wasn't gonna go and buy brand new ones at the rate that I would get. Well, let's say this. If I had gone to the store, I probably would have only been able to get like 2 pairs of shoes. So I really wanted to kind of stretch the funds. So I did go on the Real and I was able to get like 4 pair for the price of 2. And this area right here, if you guys can see that, right? Yeah, right here, this little section here. What I did was I have, you know, soit ici on dirait comme ça, mon petit cuvette pour me faire toilette de bain. I don't know how to say that in English, but this little cuvette right here, ou la vidéo. And then I have a scrubs and Lush and room freshener. I just did a haul right here from Grow. If you guys are interested, I'll leave a link down below. That's my basil and also the berry something body wash. And then I have my makeup. Makeup over here, and then skincare and all that stuff. And then the handbags are on. Oh heck, I thought it was only 2 shelves. Okay, 1, 2, and 3 right here. Right there, that's my Honda hat, y'all. That's my Honda hat. So yesterday when Mom came home, she was like, what did you do? I was like, nothing really. You know, I unpacked my stuff and I felt a little bit better because like I put some of my jewelry on and you know, unpacked my things and stuff like that. She was like, you look good, you know, you look good. And I was like, yeah, I finally like got every single thing unpacked and threw out the boxes and things like that. Well, I didn't throw them out. I have them downstairs in the garage, so when I'm leaving, I'll pack them again in the same box. And like I said, she always comes, you know, on the bed and just lays across it, and we talk and things like that while I'm working on the computer. So then she looks, and said, oh, this is nice. This is real nice. I like that. And then she goes, are you gonna leave it when you're leaving? I was like, yes, Mom, I'm gonna leave it. She wanted to see if I can get one like that size in her closet in her back wall, but her back wall is too small. She only has about like 18, possibly maybe even 20 inch of space. And this one here is the Billy bookcase, so it's just around like the 30 some odd inches of width. So it wasn't going to fit in there, but she really liked this. She thought possibly she could put some of her handbags or some shoes or something. She has the California closet unit in her closet, which I think is actually, at first, well, let me just say this. If you're going to do that, I do think you should get the IKEA. But in terms of quality and which one's a little bit thicker, I guess, the California closet seems to be of a better quality. But if you're gonna pay the California closet prices, then I would tell you to look for a carpenter to possibly get something built, because her closet was pretty expensive. Her closet actually cost more than my closet. In my closet, it's bigger. I have more pieces. I have an island. I have the whole 9 yards, and she still spent more on her closet than I did on mine, which is why I said what I said. And even my aunt, she has a closet too, and if I'm not mistaken, her closet was about the same price as mine's, and it was just her standard master closet in her master bedroom. So I would 100% say, if you can, to find if you're gonna hire, you know, California closets or whatever, then you probably want to look for a carpenter. Time wise, you know, it's gonna take him or her to a little bit more time to build it, but quality wise, you'll get something that's 100% wood. You can move it, you can repaint it, you can do whatever you want to do with it in the future. But yeah, but that's pretty much it. I'm just happy that I have things in working order. The closet is in working order, my desk is in working order. Now I feel a little bit situated. Do I feel plugged and one with Atlanta? No, I hate the traffic. No, and it's getting a little cold out, which is why I got on my little sweater and stuff. So no, I do not feel one with Atlanta, but I feel good that my things are in place. Let me show you guys something really quickly. this right here is what I was talking to you guys when I said Ross has come in for the win. These are all the deodorants. So I kind of put these on at night or if I'm in the morning. My everyday deodorant is going to be the Cashmere Mist is what I normally wear. But you guys, this deodorant from Ross, that's been hitting on everything. And then this Dove right here is from Ross. Everything else is like my regular stuff, like my regular smell good things. And then, like I said, I have the room spray, the body scrubs in here. But yeah, everything just looks really good. I'm just happy how everything is set up and laid out. So you guys, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed. And it's so crazy because the video that came before this, I actually vacuumed the room, and then I thought to myself, I should probably go to IKEA. But I didn't go to IKEA. My cousin went to IKEA and picked it up for me and then bought it to me. So, but yeah, I'm really happy and excited. Pretty much that is it for the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me just say that if you are transitioning or, you know, figuring out life or whatever it is that you're doing, I would 100% tell you to just organize your life, like organize things. And it's so crazy because I had so much stuff. You guys know how much stuff I had. So to be okay with things being so condensed, it's a wake-up call. You know what I'm saying? Like, do I really need so much stuff? Does that mean that I'm gonna stop shopping? Probably not. Probably not. But at least I know that if I had to condense and kind of go down to the bare minimum, I could do it. I could 100% do it. So that was the lesson for this month. But anyway, you guys have a really good day. I'll see you next time. Bye.